Hello students, I welcome you all to KK's biology class. What are we going to talk about today? We are going to talk about the types of reproduction. In the last lecture, we have defined what is reproduction. Today, we are going to understand different types of reproduction. So broadly, there are two different types of reproduction. One is asexual reproduction and second one is a sexual reproduction. What do they mean? What is the difference between them and what are the advantages of these different types of reproduction? Let us understand them in a little bit of more detail. We'll talk about sexual reproduction first. Now in this mode of reproduction, students, a new offspring is produced always by participation of two parents. Two parents are going to be involved over here. Both of them are going to be of opposite sex. This type of reproduction is seen nearly in all multicellular organisms, be it birds, reptiles, dogs, cats, cattle, elephants, all of the multicellular organisms are going to follow sexual mode of reproduction. So in this sexual mode of reproduction, basically what happens is formation of gametes is going to take place. So male is going to produce male gametes and female is going to produce female gametes. Once you have the formation of the gametes taking place, after that you will see the fusion of gametes taking place. So this process wherein you will have formation of gametes and fusion of gametes taking place, this is called as gametogenesis. So males are going to be producing haploid sperms and females are going to be producing haploid eggs. You can see here that both of them are going to fuse to form what? To form a diploid zygote. So now when this formation and fusion of gametes is taking place, we can observe that in sexual reproduction, both the types of division is going to take place. Meiosis as well as mitosis or mitotic division is going to take place. As a result of it, what happens is the offspring which is formed over here, the new offspring which is formed over here, because there are involvement of two parents here, students, two different set of genes are going to recombine and therefore we will see a lot of variation in this particular offspring. Genetically, this offspring which is there is going to be identical to its parents, but variation, there is going to be a lot of variations which we can see in terms of sexual reproduction. This variation in species increases the chances of survival. Hence, in the evolutionary advancement, it is going to be very much developed. In comparison to this, when you talk about asexual reproduction, this is going to see that a new offspring is produced here only and only by the involvement or participation of a single parent. So only a single parent is involved over here. The offspring which is produced, they are not only identical to their parents, but they are also exact copies of their parents. Again, the reason being, because there is only a single parent involved, there is going to be no fusion of gametes taking place. Division, the type of division which will take place over here is only and only mitotic division, as a result of which genetically and morphologically the offsprings are going to be exact copies of their parents, which we call them as clones. Asexual reproduction, students, therefore, since it is carried out only by a single parent, this process is comparatively much more faster. Less energy is invested over here. Whole process is less complicated, again because it is involving only and only single parent. And this type of reproduction therefore can take place in varied environments. So I hope the meaning of sexual and asexual reproduction and the difference between the two are very clear. Thank you, students. Next time we'll look into some different concept of biology. Do write to us at kksbioacademy@gmail.com. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Also, you can scan the QR code to book for a learning session. Thank you.